Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Rhino installed and Chocolatey available. Open an elevated terminal right now because permissions matter for the install. Once done, set the execution policy to remote sign so scripts run. Check it with Git execution policy. Next, test Choco V and Rhino version to confirm both respond. If one fails, fix that dependency before continuing. This step avoids mid-process failures and speeds the workflow, so don't skip it. You now perform the main installation. Run Choco, install Rhino Choco Y and watch the output. Respond to any prompts for install path or optional plugins. Once the package extracts, set Rhino Home to the chosen folder and append %Rhino Home % to your path so commands run globally. Make sure file permissions allow execution. If needed, run iCackles to grant access. After configuration, restart your shell to load variables. This makes Rhino commands accessible and consistent across sessions. You finish by validating the install. Run Rhino help, then Rhino setup to initialize templates and plugin hooks. Test a simple script or open a sample project to confirm runtime behavior and plugin loading. If something fails, inspect logs in %Rhino Home %logs and rerun Choco upgrade Rhino Choco to refresh components. Make sure the path and Rhino Home match the actual install. Migration or multiple versions commonly cause conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands return permission errors, rerun the shell as administrator and reapply the execution policy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.